How to use JediSwap, easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on JediSwap, how to swap or earn by adding liquidity with zero gas fee. So let's get into it. First of all, you can go to jediswap.xyz and it'll take you to this website right here. JediSwap is a decentralized community-driven protocol that allows you to build on validity roll-up. Use JediSwap with zero gas fee while relying on the security of Ethereum. Let's get into it. Once you get to the jediswap.xyz, you will have to click on Launch App. So it will take you right here. You can see with this protocol, we have trade, pull, and zap, and also a stake option. Before you start, the first step is going to be connecting your wallet. So click on Connect Wallet, and then you can connect your Argent X wallet or your Barvas wallet. So I'm going to go with Argent X. So once your wallet is connected, you're good to go. You can see I have connected my Argent wallet. If you do not have this wallet, you can get one by just going to chrome.google.com/extension and you can search for Argent X. This is going to be your wallet right here. So once you have connected the wallet, now we will be able to trade, pull, and zap, and also stake. You can see we are actually working with the SharkNet here. And first we have the swap option. So we need to select the token that we want to swap from. I want to swap, let's say, from USDC, and then we have to select the token to which we want to actually swap. And I want to swap into Ethereum. You will select your both tokens, then you have to enter the amount. So let's say I want to swap 100 USDC into Ethereum. So it will give me 0.07 Ethereum. You can see the price, 1 USDC is equal to 0.0079 Ethereum at the time of making this video. Then we have slippage tolerance 0.5% and transaction deadline is going to be 60 minutes. Then here at the bottom you will find the option of swap if you have sufficient balance in your wallet that you have connected. So make sure to deposit some funds in your wallet and then you can of course swap with JediSwap here. We need to add Ethereum into our wallet. With this option we will be able to do so. You can see similarly I can actually swap from any token I want. Let's say we have maybe USDT here, and then we have swap to, then we're gonna go with this one, and we can enter the amount in 100 here, and we can then get our price. So make sure, keep in mind these are the prices at the time of making this video, and I'm actually not suggesting any of the tokens or any of the coin to go for. This is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. This is just a tutorial for the protocol that we're working on how to use JediSwap. So this is the swap option, really easy. We also get settings here where I will be able to set my slippage tolerance, 0.5%, 0.1%, 1%, and more, and then we have transaction deadline. Moving on, we have pools. So in pool, you can see we have liquidity providers, and here I'll show you how to create a pair and add liquidity. Click on create pair and it will take you right here. Keep in mind, liquidity and creating a pool involves a high degree of risk. So you have to enter, of course, if you're creating a pool, you will require 2 tokens. First, you're gonna go with the chain right here. Let's go with USDT here. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna select the token on USDT. So I'm gonna go with this one right here. Or maybe let's go with USDC. I have selected DAI, and then you will enter the amount, both of these tokens. The ratio of the tokens you add will set the price of the pool. It might take few minutes for pool to reflect and enable the swap. Keep that in mind. Enter the amount that you want to go for, add liquidity, and you're good to go. You are going to be the first liquidity provider for the pool that you're creating. And of course, adding liquidity also involves risk. Click on this setting icon and you will be able to select your slippage tolerance. We have like the percentage given, and then we have transaction deadline that you can set. So this is how you will be adding liquidity with JediSwap. So create pair, click on create pair. Again, it takes you right here. to create a pair with a chain and a token. Then we have a zap option and we have stake. So I'm going to take you to stake. Now, stake is actually a new option on JediSwap and it's coming soon right here. You can see. And then we have zap. With zap, what is a zap on JediSwap? Zap helps you convert any of your token into LP token with one click. So if you're looking to convert your token into an LP token, you can use this option, which is the Zap. So how it works is you're gonna go ahead and enter the amount right here. You're gonna select your token first. Let's say I have a USDC token and I want to convert this token into an LP token. You will enter the amount as well to LP token. Select the token, what LP token you want. Now it is going to be according to one that you have selected here. Let's actually go with maybe 100. Then you will click your LP token from here. It is going to be estimated. Enter the amount right here. You can also enter the name to search for a token or paste an address. Enter the amount and your token, your simple token, will be converted into an LP token here. Click on select token and you're good to go. You will just click on swap and the tokens will be swapped. So when it comes to easily trading, for example, a simple swapping from one chain to another, the option is available on JediSwap. If you're looking to create a pair to add liquidity to a pool, that option is available under pool option. And then we have Zap that allows you to convert tokens into LP tokens using JediSwap. So these three options are available. Stake is coming soon. This is your wallet that you need to connect, which is going to be the Urgent wallet that you can get by very easily by just going to the Google Chrome extension. So this way, you will be able to swap, earn, and build instantaneously on a decentralized community-driven protocol that is built with validity roll up. All of the different options are available, all of the different tokens. When it comes to using JediSwap, there is no central team. All contributors are considered equal. All of your contributors are measured, recorded, and rewarded transparently. No behind the door decisions. So this is actually really good that there are no hidden fees and there's nothing. The benefits of using JediSwap is leveled and skill specific NFTs providing your contributors on chain token rewards proportional to the effort and the impact of your contribution measured in the points system. So you will be earning a reward using JediSwap. You can go ahead and check it out, jediswap.xyz, and you will be able to avail all of these different options. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to do everything about the topic and I hope that you understood everything and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.